I'm going to be using just 2 pencils and I'm going to show you how to magically lift your hooded or droopy eyes and go from this to this, making it a fabulous everyday makeup. Hi everyone, it's Smitha. Welcome back. Over the years, I've shown you so many different looks for hooded or droopy eyes, but I realized I haven't shown you something that you can use every single day. So today I'm going to be showing you an everyday look that gets done in 5 minutes or less using just 2 pencils. I can't wait to show you how it's done, so without further delay, let's begin. If you have hooded or droopy eyes, you probably have that extra skin sitting on top of your lid that weighs your lid down. And that, my friends, will make your eyes look droopy. But today's makeup look will help lift your eyes and keep it looking bright and nice. Let's start with the brows. I'm going to be using the Aqua Resist pencil by Makeup Forever. This is a brow pencil in the shade Black Brown. It's got a micro tip and I'm going to be using it to fill in just the sparse areas. And the key here when you have hooded or droopy eyes is to push your brows as high as possible, because that'll help to create as much space as possible below the brows for your eye makeup or for your eyeliner, what have you. Now, even if your brows are very close to your eyes, push it up. You try to utilize as much space as possible below your brows. And I'm just filling in the sparse areas because we want it to look nice, but at the same time, it shouldn't be overwhelming. All the attention should be on the eyes. My skin tone is so uneven on the lids and below the brows, so to even everything out, I'm going to be using an eyeshadow primer. This is from Rare Beauty and this one's my favorite. So just applying a couple dots and I'm going to spread it out. This primer dries down pretty quick, it doesn't crease, and you don't have to set it with powder. And as you can see, it's cleaned out everything and evened out my skin tone. Here's a comparison of one eye with primer and one eye without. It makes a huge difference. Now for the eye makeup, I'm just going to be using 2 eye pencils, a black one and a nude one. The black one is from House Labs. This is the Kohl Kajal. I'm going to scribble this in the outer corner of my upper and lower lash lines because we'll be using this to extend our eye. So we'll give an illusion of wider and bigger eyes. And I called it scribble is because it doesn't have to be neat because we'll be smudging and smoking it out anyway. So using a smudging brush from Real Techniques, I'm going to smudge and smoke this out both in the upper and bottom lash lines. Smoky eyeliners are more forgiving than clean eyeliners on hooded eyes because they don't interfere with the fold of the hood. That was simple enough. It elongates the eye and the attention is taken off from that hood in the outer corner. Now it's time to use the nude eye pencil. This is the Scandalized Nude Eye Pencil by Rimmel. I'm going to first use this in my waterline. That'll instantly make your eyes appear bigger because it almost gives that illusion of the white in your eyeball being extended. And then I'm going to draw more light towards the eyes to make it appear brighter by highlighting in the inner corner, my brow bones, as well as center of my lid. Now you can also use a white eye pencil instead of a nude pencil, but a nude looks more natural than white. And now I'm going to use my finger to quickly blend everything out. That's pretty much it, my friends. We are set on the eye makeup. It's time to finish up with some mascara. I'm using one of these bestsellers by Physicians Formula. It's called the Diamond Mascara. You'll see in a minute why I love this so much. It adds so much length and volume to your lashes without clumping. You can see how beautiful that makes my lashes look. It doesn't clump at all, and this is a drugstore mascara. Again, applying mascara brightens up your eyes and just makes it appear so much more bigger. Now, you don't have to apply mascara to your lower lashes if you end up smudging or you just don't like it. I love applying mascara to my lower lashes because it gives a doll eye effect, again, making it appear so much more brighter. Let's look at the before one more time. And here is the after, and you can see what a massive difference that makes. And we barely use products here, just 2 pencils and some mascara. And it is super simple to recreate and gets done within 5 minutes. Now let's finish up the rest of the face. Now for everyday, I don't really use a bronzer or a contour or anything crazy like that. I just go with a very light blush. And one of my favorite everyday blushes is On the Mauve by Bare Minerals. I take it with a brush and I remove some of that excess before I use it. And that'll give me a light rosy hue, and that's all I need for every day. That just, makes your face look so much more fresh. And for lipstick, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Vinyl Ink in Vidi. I don't know why I'm liking this lipstick so much. It gives such a fresh and youthful look. Speaking of which, you guys know that I'm a quarterfinalist in the Fab Over 40. I have a link in the description box below. I would really appreciate a vote from you. There's 3 million of you following me, so just one free vote from you will really help. And I would truly appreciate that. And here's the finished look. I'd love to hear your thoughts. I feel like this looks so much fresh and so youthful and brightens up the eyes, the face, everything. But I'd love to hear from you, so let me know in comments. And if you enjoyed this video, as always, please don't forget to thumbs up. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. Do check out all the products that I used in the View Products link within this video. You'll find it on the left bottom corner. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon with a brand new one. Bye guys. Hi everyone, with your help I was able to get to the quarterfinals of Fab Over 40, and I'm so grateful that many of you decided to vote for me every single day. And now we are in for the semi-finals, so I need your votes again, and I've included that link in the description box. I love you guys so much. Thank you for everything, and I'll see you soon.